Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. I'm not gonna show old charts. You already know, all my old charts are in my previous videos. But let me just show you the current charts and the setup, possible setup for this week. So this is my monthly chart, right? And this is Elliott wave count one, two, and then one, two, three, four, five, three, and we drop for wave four, right? Well, this is very unusual drop, and it's like a big wave straight to the downside. And usually wave four is like sideways, flat correction or triangle or something like that. But this one is like a big, big wave here and it could be anything, but I count it as like wave four. If it is, then we need to be going for wave five to the upside. So based on that scenario, weekly chart is the one that I made when we were here. Down here, so I said we're gonna bounce. This could be like only wave A of four, then we go for B, and then come down for C, and then end up with the regular flat anyway, right? But let's see what happens, right? So it started to go up a little bit, right? And a decent amount it went up, right? Now the daily chart, the way I see this internal structure of these waves, this is what it is. It looks like wave one, two, and this could be wave three, and then this is more like this sideways correction, right? So you can see that it's very similar, and we are having a hard time here going to the upside. So this could be wave four, one, two, three, four. This is a sideways correction, A, B, C, as a flat maybe, right? And then we can drop to the downside for this wave five, right? That is a big possibility. So this is what I'm looking at. But as we were going to the upside, and I made a couple of charts that shows that we're going to be going to the upside. For example, my 40-minute chart, I had it that from here we're going to go to the upside. So we went up nice and clean, but you can see here it is forming like a head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder. Well, it's a regular head and shoulder pattern at the top of the move, up move, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder, and touching the backside of the steel, and a very good chance that it may drop. Right. So going to the upside, yes, I just closed this small long here. I'm going along with this chart. That every time it makes a turn, I go with that. So the trend was up, and right from here, it started to go to the upside, and I got in, and I just closed it today. Let me show you because I'm afraid that it's gonna drop. So I said, well, the hell with it, whatever it is, just take it and run, right? So this is the trade that I just closed, right? So when it started to bounce from here, that 100 box size chart, right from here, right? The first blue candle, and after that, you look for the entry, and the entry was right there, taken by the EA, expert advisor, and nice and clean to the upside. So this is where we are now, and I think that we probably gonna drop. I'll wait. For this chart is the key chart right now. If we start to drop and below 78,259, then I'll be going short again. All right, so this is it for now. As for Bitcoin, and I will make the other videos later on because I have to run and go outside and do something else. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later. And like I said, that if you're interested in learning all of this, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, and all this Fibonacci calculation and everything, and doing the analysis, because the analysis is the key. If you can look here, find out the right direction, then all you have to do is just take the entries, right, when they show up. So you go on my website and then sign up for one-on-one. And on the basis of this video, if you mention that you saw the video and then you want to do it, then you get the 50% off. Anyway, all right. So this is it for now. And hopefully I'll make the gold video later on today. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.